Come here.
He's good.
Hey, I know you're being detained. If you do any... Bill's running. You will be tased. Westbound.
On June 20th, 2025, Seattle police responded to an early morning assault near Pritchard Beach in the Rainier Valley. Around 6:30 a.m., officers confronted a 33-year-old suspect.
Get on the ground now! You will be tased. Put your hands on top of your head.
I'm on sewer.
You anything else, you will get tased. Do you understand?
Yes.
I have one at taser point.
My eye, bro.
I don't care right now.
My eye. Yeah.
Put your hand on top of your head. Both of them. Lay on top, on your stomach, on the ground right here. On your stomach.
Oh, no, if I can't, you mean?
Lay on your stomach right now.
Okay.
Taser point. He's running here. Westbound.
According to police, after an officer deployed a taser, the suspect fired a shot at them, then ran toward the lake and leapt off a dock near the Atlantic City boat ramp.
Shot fired.
Help the officer 84. Help the officer 8455 Avenue South, shots fired. Help the officer 8455 Avenue South, shots fired. Call up on South.
There's Huddies.
One on the trail. It's more southbound.
On the trail southbound.
Black male, light skin, dreads, all black clothing.
Black male, light skin, dress, black clothing.
One Sam, I'm to the south of the shots. To the south of the shots.
1 Sam is south of the shots. Any additional units?
In 59. I do not believe I've been hit. I'm on the bridge waiting for additional before I go after the suspect again.
Victor 9 has been hit on the bridge. Needed.
No, I do not believe I've been hit.
Correction. Has not been hit on the bridge. Waiting for additional officers.
Last one, yeah.
Give me the description again.
Black male, light skin, dark puffy jacket, black jeans,
I'm gonna hold you.
dreads, probably late 20s.
Copy. Before we proceed, do whatever you gotta do to calm yourself down before we proceed in here. One Robert. I'm with Victor 9. I need someone, anyone, to respond back to Pritchard Beach and make sure the victim is still there. She was there when I pulled up.
Need any additional units? 8455 Avenue South, check for the victim. One operative with Victor 9 on the bridge.
Let's start moving.
Yeah. Leave my taser here. Doesn't have anything left in it.
Okay, I got the left side.
Yep.
Clear the SWAT call out. Dylan.
Robert. Try and keep the radio traffic to a minimum. Victor 9 and I are continuing southbound on the trail.
And Victor 9, if you can look for Guardian 1, Smokey, and our K9.
One Robert. From where we are on the trail right now, we can see one Sam's vehicle lights. Alright, let's
And Victor 9, just for officer safety. Suspect is armed with a handgun.
Suspect will be armed with a handgun. Suspect with a handgun. Any additional description?
This is a black male. White skin. About 5'8" to 5'11". Slim to medium build. Black jacket. Black jeans. With dreadlocks.
He was taken into custody around 8:30 a.m., then transported to a hospital for evaluation. Authorities confirm he's now facing serious charges.